Hi guys, I'm Dimo. To make this listen easy and understand, I will use my AI voice for the rest of the video. The sound will be better and you can follow more easily. Let's start the listen.
Imagine making a simple video, and within just a few days, the views skyrocket. 5 million, 12 million, even over 30 million. That's exactly what's been happening lately on TikTok and YouTube. One specific niche is blowing up at a crazy speed. If you check a few successful accounts, you'll see their videos hit millions of views again and again. And here's the crazy part. There's no complicated filming, no heavy editing. It's all made with AI. No manual sound design, no pro equipment. Just an idea, a good prompt, and artificial intelligence. The best part? The process is so simple. You can start with just a laptop or even your phone. And today I'll show you exactly how to create this ASMR-style video, even if you don't have access to paid tools like VO3. I'll walk you through both the paid and free methods step by step, so you can make your own video and ride the trend. First, we head over to ChatGPT. Click on GPTs, type in ASMR image and prompt in the search bar. From the results, I pick the third one that says Create ASMR image for videos. Click Start Chat, choose one of the 4 models. I go with Galaxy Jelly Cube. Right after clicking, ChatGPT gives me a ready-made prompt for that image. But that's just the beginning. If you want something unique that stands out, take that main prompt and ask ChatGPT to make a few variations based on it. I did that and got several new prompts to work with. Now I copy the first prompt and go to Gemini AI. From the video section, I pick VO3. Yes, it's a paid plan, but I just want to show you the insane quality it can produce. In about 2 minutes, the video is ready, and the result is stunning, super realistic with amazing detail. But what if you don't want to pay for VO3? That's where the free method comes in. Take the same prompt, go to Leonardo AI, an amazing platform for creating both images and videos. Click Get Started and sign in with Google. They give you 150 free tokens every day. Enough to make high-quality images, and it resets every 24 hours. From the left menu, click Image, paste in our prompt from ChatGPT, choose TikTok size since we're going for vertical video. Set prompt Enhance to Auto, Style to Dynamic, and pick the Lucid Origin model. It makes incredibly sharp, realistic images. Click Generate. Each time it costs 64 tokens, but with the daily refresh, that's not a big deal. A few seconds later, we get 4 high-detail images. I also test a couple of the other ChatGPT prompts, and again, in seconds, I have fresh images, seriously impressive detail and texture. Now I pick the most beautiful and accurate one from Leonardo and download it to turn into an ASMR video. Here's where Kling AI comes in, a platform that's been making a lot of noise lately, and in some cases, it competes with top-tier models. The cool thing about Kling is it supports both image-to-video and text-to-image. And because of its smooth motion simulation and realistic lighting, it's perfect for visual ASMR. Click Sign In, log in with Google. You'll get 166 free tokens on your first sign-in, good for making either images or videos. From the left menu, pick Video, upload the image from Leonardo. Now, if the video isn't exactly how you want it, like the planet slicing video I tried that didn't cut quite right, here's the fix. Change the prompt and turn on DeepSeek so it better understands the details. For example, I type cutting, static camera, and turn on DeepSeek. Don't forget to enable sound effect. ASMR without sound is only half the experience. Click Generate. In the free plan, it can take up to 3 hours, or you can upgrade for faster results.
2,000 years later.
When it's finally done, it's exactly what we wanted. Back-to-back slices with a fixed camera, smooth jelly motion, and soft cutting sounds. Now let's compare. I tested the same ChatGPT prompt directly in Kling to see how good it is at making images. Result? Clean, nice images that are totally usable for videos. But when I ran the same prompt in Leonardo, the image quality was just sharper, better textures, lighting, and realism. That said, Kling still does the job, especially when you're going straight from image to video. For this next test, I take an image made in Kling, upload it back into Kling's video section, turn on DeepSeek, paste the updated prompt, enable sound effect, and hit generate.
2,000 years later.
This time it took about 19 minutes, and the final output? Smooth movement, vibrant colors, and the full ASMR vibe. If you've enjoyed this process and want to make your own ASMR videos, now's the perfect time to start. The tools are ready, the prompts are ready, your creativity is the only missing piece that can turn these ideas into millions of views. So, hit that like button. It really helps more people find this tutorial. Subscribe, turn on the bell, and be the first to catch the next videos, where we'll go from powerful prompts to viral video hacks. Trust me, the next one is going to level up your game.